What should you pack in an emergency kit that you keep in your car? I keep an emergency kit in my car. I do it for my own safety, for the safety of my family and my passengers. It's a pretty basic kit, but I'd recommend you consider doing the same. And you want to basically keep things in your emergency kit that could help if you were to break down by the side of the road and there would be like a lengthy period of time before any kind of help was available. So I've made kind of a quick list here of things I'd recommend, and I'll just run through it really quickly with you. And I'll also include some links in the description with this video to some more complete and comprehensive lists that you can compare and think about, maybe print a few out and kind of cross-reference them if you decide to build your own emergency kit to pack and keep in your car. So jumper cables, or perhaps like a lithium ion jumper cable pack that you can keep in your car that doesn't require another car to be able to jump your car. Now, if you have that kind of a pack, you need to remember to keep it charged. So you may want to keep both a jumper pack and a small set of jumper cables in your emergency kit. Flares or reflectors, including a reflective vest. You may be in a situation where, like it or not, your best option is to walk, a few miles down the highway to the next exit. That's always a dangerous place to put yourself in, but particularly if it's dark and you're wearing dark clothes. Best thing you can do if you're in that unfortunate set of circumstances is to have a highly reflective vest of some sort to help make sure you can be seen to keep yourself safe. Next is a blanket or warm clothes or a space blanket, just in case you break down in on a very cold day, or you may also want to keep a poncho just in case you break down, you have to do some work on your car in very wet conditions. Because you could break down at night and you might need to check out what's going on under the hood, a flashlight and including some extra batteries, or maybe an LED flashlight, something that will maintain the charge a little longer. Or I've seen some folks even like flashlights where you can crank the handle so you don't have to worry about it sitting in your bag for a long time and the batteries being totally dead. But some type of flashlight that will be reliable if you need it. A basic toolkit. I'd recommend your basic toolkit includes some kind of a multi-tool and duct tape. No toolkit is complete without some duct tape. You also want to make sure you have a first aid kit. And if you have any types of prescriptions that you need to take, or people who are regularly your passengers, like for family members that they may need, I'd recommend you pack a couple days worth of prescriptions just in case. And food and water. So you could keep a few bottles of water and some granola bars, or fruit and nuts. That's something that will last if it's kept in your emergency kit for some time. Something that look at the expiration dates on the packaging to make sure it'll be something that you can keep in your pack for a while that'll still be useful to you. Just in case it's a snow and ice type of event, you might want to have a small shovel. Some sites recommend like a small bag of sand or a cat litter even to help get traction. I've never had much luck with the cat litter approach myself, and I don't see myself keeping it in my trunk, but a lot of people recommend it. So make sure you have maybe a spare ice scraper and a small shovel or snow shovel. You might want to keep paper towels and kind of basic sanitation related items in your pack as well. They don't take up a lot of space, and if you need them, you'll be glad you have them. Finally, you may need other supplies if you regularly travel with your children, with a baby, with your significant other, or with pets. If you travel with pets, you may want to have just like a backup, leash and some dog food, cat food, whatever the case may be. You may want to keep some extra formula if you have a baby in the car with you, just in case you're stuck there for some time. Well, I hope this information is helpful. Again, I'll have links to some other lists in the description. And if you have any questions, if we can be any other help to you, please reach out. Thanks so much.